Hi guys, welcome back. It feels like I haven't done a video in forever, and I hope this video is going to be up by the beginning of March. I'm in the middle of moving again, and I don't know if I can upload it while I'm in the new flat. So if you're going to see this by the end of March, I hope you're going to enjoy it anyways. I mean, I personally love to watch Plan With Me videos, even though it's a year old, so maybe you're going to enjoy it as well. I still love the Traveler's Notebook, and I think I'm going to buy or make myself a new one because I don't enjoy the color anymore, but I do love the system. I get a lot of questions about the notebooks, and I finally get some prototypes, so I think I can release the notebooks in the next month, and maybe you're going to see them in the new Plan With Me video. So they're going to be A5 and A6, and they will have around 60 pages with very thick paper, so you can doodle and you can use a fountain pen, you can use a Tombow or any other pen you want to use. But I think I'm going to do a DIY for the ones I'm using right now as well, because they're kind of cute and they're easy to make. But now back to the Plan With Me video. I just did the cover page, and now I'm doing the kind of dashboard page, and I always do 2 circles at the top for the important tasks and the goals, and then I use the washi tape to tape off the 2 sections for Journalspiration, for the business tasks and the wish list. And now I'm using one of the stickers out of the new kit, and you can find the new kit out of my shop in the description box down below. I will link everything, the stickers, the pens, everything you asked for. The next page is for the calendar view, or the monthly overview, or monthly calendar, or whatever you want to call it, and I didn't change anything. My camera decided to stop recording, but there wasn't anything special happening. I just used one of the flag stickers at the top left corner for the March, and the brush lettering stickers out of the shop for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now I'm going to use some washi tape for the days when I'm going to be away. So it's basically 3 weekends this month, and I use this to mark down a longer period of time I'm going to be away. So I instantly see, oh, there's no time to do something. I decided to add some date dots to the right page because I want to see the current week, because I always have to Google like current week, so I know which week it is, and the stickers will be linked in the description box as well. Now I'm just going to fill in my monthly overview and write down all my appointments. I always feel so weird because I fill out my spreads in 2 languages. Let me know if you do this as well. So now I'm going to use some more stickers to decorate the page, and I realized that I had to remove the Sunday because I wanted to have a sticker underneath, so I had to use a second one. The next page is going to be the habit tracker, and a lot of you keep asking me about the circle stamps. So now I have a solution because I lost my circle stamp, and now I'm using my circle stencil instead. And I love it so much more than the stamp because I have so many options. So I can use the circles for different spreads in different sizes. I'm going to link the stencil in the description box as well. So I think it's the first time you actually see how I'm doing the circles, and this is like 6 times the speed. So it's taking around, I guess, 15 minutes to do all the circles. So please keep in mind that you have to do this to get this spread. Maybe you're just going to do squares because it's so much easier. I just love the look of the circles. Like always, the top part is going to be for my daily habits, and the bottom part is for the weekly task like cleaning and makeup brushes, watering the plants, all that kind of stuff. I actually changed out some of the healthy habits because I keep a separate bullet journal in my traveler's notebook for my fitness stuff. So I have some healthy habits like hydration, yoga, workout, all that kind of stuff in the other notebook, and I'm going to show this one in a separate video, like a fitness meal planning video. The right page is going to be the weekly dashboard, so I just used one of the stickers out of the kit, and I'm going to tape down 2 columns. One is for next week and one is for notes, so it's basically the same. I just keep switching up those 2 columns. This time I used my fountain pen instead of the Muji one to write down the current week, and I'm still not sure if I like the thicker look. I think I prefer the Muji one. I just started like doing the squares before I have the task. Before, I really like to just write down the tasks and not have to do the squares every single time. So I'm kind of prepared and I just need to fill it in, and it's so much more convenient. The next page is my weekly overview or daily overview. And because I have so many tasks at the moment, so many to-dos and not a lot of appointments going on, so I decided to do a small overview for the appointments and a big to-do list for all the tasks. I'm using one of the decorative stickers out of the kit for the right page, and then I'm going to use some of the flag stickers. It's the F33, I think, and I'm just going to use them for each weekday. Then I'm going to use the brush lettering days for each weekday, and because I used so many stickers in this spread, I save so much time because I basically just need to draw the rectangles for the days and the squares for the to-do, and you don't even have to do the squares for the to-do. You can just like do it for every single task when you write it down. And you could always shorten the to-do list and do something different at the bottom, maybe like a productivity tracker or a meal plan or whatever you think you need. And you can switch it up because not everyone needs such a big to-do list. Now I'm just using the same washi tape I used in the monthly overview to mark down the weekend I'm going to be away, so I can instantly see that I'm going to be away for a longer period of time. And then I'm going to fill in all my appointments and some of the to-dos I already know I have to do. So now I'm just going to fill everything in because I didn't do this in the beginning, and I think my camera stopped working at the end, so it's not very special. So now the flip through, we have the monthly dashboard, the monthly overview, the habit tracker with the weekly overview, and the weekly overview with a daily overview. Like, I always don't know how to call those spreads. But if you want to see some more details, you can always see them in my Instagram, and please let me know what you think about the notebooks, the video, the stickers, everything. I like the feedback. So see you next time. Bye.